Zara and Sabah.
ये बात अलग है कि तुम ना बदलो मगर जमाना बदल रहा है। गुलाब पत्थर पे खेल रहे हैं, चिराग आंधी में जल रहा है। यही जुनून यही एक ख्वाब मेरा है, यही जुनून यही एक ख्वाब मेरा है। वहाँ चिराग जला दूं जहाँ अंधेरा है।
फातिमा वो वाहिद औरत जिनका बाप नबियों का सरदार, खावन बनियों का सरदार, बेटे जन्नत के नौजवानों के सरदार और वो खुद जन्नत की औरतों की सरदार।
And for next candidate, I would like to call Zara for speech contest.
Starting with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most beneficial and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Zara. I am daughter of Hafiz Muhammad Tahir and I am from THT Institute. First of all, I am really thankful to my greatest and almighty Allah Rabbul Izzat who made me able to speak in front of you. And thank you all of you for accepting me. So today is my topic about our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's younger daughter, Hazrat Fatima Zahra radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Before I start my topic, I want to share some lines with you. महरूमे अदल रूहे अदालत है फातिमा, महरूमे अदल रूहे अदालत है फातिमा, अल्लाह के नबी की मोहब्बत है फातिमा. Today we gather to talk the remarkable life and the legacy of our beloved Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu ta'ala anha, a luminous figure in Islamic history whose virtues continue to inspire generations. She is not just the daughter of our beloved Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but a beacon of wisdom, compassion and piety that illuminate the path of Islam. Mr. President, born into the noblest of family, Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu ta'ala anha embodied humility, grace from the very beginning. My dear audience, she was a paragon of virtue, known for her unwavering faith and devotion to Allah. Her exemplary character serves as a timeless lesson to all of us, regardless of our backgrounds and our beliefs. Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu ta'ala anha exemplified the essence of sacrifices and selflessness. Despite numerous faced trials and tribulations, Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu ta'ala anha loved and supported her father in the every situation of life. She didn't saw there, she didn't saw here. Just saw her father and just support her father. Just support her father in the every situation of life. She sacrifices a lot for her father, for family, for children, for our precious Islam and for the ummah of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If we talk about the relationship of Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu ta'ala anha, she was the wife of Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib, the cousin and the son-in-law of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They had the deeply loving and respectful relationship between them. If we talk about the motherhood of Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu ta'ala anha, the mother of bravest children, the mother of Shuhada of Karbala, the mother of Hazrat Imam Hassan, the mother of Hazrat Imam Hussain, Hazrat Bibi Zainab and Hazrat Kulsum. She was the mother of the ummah of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now I would like to end my topic with these lines. फातिमा वो वाहिद औरत जिनका बाप नबियों का सरदार, खावन बनियों का सरदार, बेटे जन्नत के नौजवानों के सरदार और वो खुद जन्नत की औरतों की सरदार. Thank you all of you for listening me.
Now I would like to invite Sabah. Please put your hands together for Sabah.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficial. Respected teachers, dear judges, chief guests, and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am called Sabah Shafaqat and I am the daughter of Shafaqat Qureshi. I am the student of the Humanity Door Institute. First of all, I really thanks to Allah Rabbul Izzat after and my teacher who gives me opportunity to share my thoughts in front of you. Today, I'm very glad to stand here and talk about power of dream. Dreams are incredibly powerful because they have ability to inspire, motivate, and drive us towards achieving our goals. They ignite a fire within us, pushing us to go beyond our limits and reach for the stars. When we dream, we tap into our deepest desires and aspiration, envisioning a future that is filled with success, happiness, and fulfillment. Dreams have the power to shape our lives and give us a sense of purpose. They provide us with a roadmap guiding us towards the path we want to take. They fuel our determination and overcome strength, obstacle setbacks, and along the way. Dreams have the ability to transform us, pushing us to grow, learn, and evolve in the best vision of ourselves. Moreover, dreams connect us to our passions and talents. They allow us to explore our true potential and discover what truly makes come alive. When we pursue our dreams, we find joy, fulfillment, and a sense of fulfillment in our lives. Dream give us something to strive for, something to believe in, and something to work towards. But it's important to remember that dreams do not come to overnight. They require hard work, dedication, and perseverance. We must be willing to put in the effort, make sacrifices, and overcome challenges along the way. It may not always be easy, but the journey towards our dream is what shapes us, makes us stronger. So, my friends, never underestimate the power of your dreams. Embrace them, nurture them, and believe in them. Let them guide you towards a future that is filled with endless possibilities. Dream big, work hard, and never give up. Because when you have the power of dream on your side, everything is possible. I'm ending the speech with some words, these lines. ये बात अलग है कि तुम ना बदलो मगर ज़माना बदल रहा है. ये बात अलग है कि तुम ना बदलो मगर ज़माना बदल रहा है. गुलाब पत्थर पे खिल रहे हैं, चिराग आंधी में जल रहा है. ये बात अलग है कि तुम ना बदलो मगर ज़माना बदल रहा है. गुलाब पत्थर पे खिल रहे हैं, चिराग आंधी में जल रहा है. यही जुनून, यही ख्वाब मेरा है. यही जुनून, यही ख्वाब मेरा है. वहाँ चिराग जला दो जहाँ अंधेरा है. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज.
तो मैं जो विनर है उसको बुलाने से पहले उन दो बच्चियों को बुलाना चाहूंगा कि वो तशरीफ लाएं स्टेज पर. एंड दीज टू आर ज़ारा एंड सबा.
अच्छा जी, माशाल्लाह. अब चलते हैं जरा विनर एंड टॉपर